making from our Dining on a Dime cookbook volume 2. It's the blue one. The no bake cheesecake on page 304. Today is Mom's birthday and she loves cheesecake. We also have a chocolate cheesecake in here that's really super good also. Now I'm making my crust from scratch. Graham crackers, you want 1.5. There. See, now I feel so much better. All right. Now, you can put this in a food processor if you want. But if you don't have a food processor, you could just smack your graham crackers just like so and get them all smushed. Okay, now I'm gonna put in a bowl here 2 tablespoons of butter. Normally a stick of butter is 8 tablespoons, so you want 1/4 of that. I'm gonna microwave that and get it melted. Okay, finish smashing up my graham crackers here. Now, of course, you can use a pre-made crust if you want. And we need 1.5 cups of graham crackers. So there's 1. And then, well, what do you know? All right, so 1 package of graham crackers. One of these sleeves of graham crackers is 1.5 cups. I bet they did that on purpose. Okay, so now we're gonna get this all stirred together. Oops, I guess I should have smushed it a little bit better. And I forgot my 2 tablespoons sugar. This is a 1/2 cup measure that I keep in my sugar, so I'm just putting half of that in there. Because 4 tablespoons equals 1/4 of a cup. So it's a 1/4 cup measure, I need half. So now we're gonna push this into our pan. You don't have to use your measuring thing. You can use a hands if you want. It doesn't really matter. I just happen to have this since it was already dirty. Just thought I would use it. Just spread it around. Get smushed in there. Real good and even. Okay. Now we are going to take our cream cheese. Guys, this is just, the cheesecake part is just 4 ingredients. Well, kind of 3 actually, because your vanilla is optional. Okay, I do have to admit, since going to dairy-free, I really do miss cheesecake. I do make my dairy-free version with goat cheese and coconut, sweetened condensed coconut milk, but that's another video. Okay, so you got your cream cheese, your sweetened condensed milk. Oh, yum. One of the best inventions ever. Sweetened condensed milk. All right, guys, give me a thumbs up, a like, subscribe, and share if you agree, because I have to tell you, I think it is. Okay, teaspoon of vanilla. Usually this cap is a half a teaspoon, so I just use that. I just use the imitation stuff from Walmart because I'm cheap. And a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Then I use these lemon packets, these true lemon packets, because I just don't buy lemons that much. And so this way, if I need it for a recipe, I just add a little bit of water. And I've got my lemon juice. Okay, let's get this mixed. Push against the side to help break up some of the lumps. Okay, if your cream cheese is super soft, you're not gonna need to mix it that much, but mine was still a little cold, so I pour it into our pie crust. In that situation, you can just nuke it for a few minutes, but we're just gonna go for it because that's what we do around here. Oh my goodness, that looks so good.
It smells so good.
Okay, now we are going to put this in the refrigerator and let it set up. Yep, can you see down there, dear? All cream cheese.
That's a lot of cream cheese.
And then I decided to go on vacation. Oops. Oh well. Okay, so I gotta find a spot to put my cheesecake in everywhere. There we go. Okay, our cheesecake has sat in the refrigerator. We did sit it overnight because we had to cancel our birthday celebration last night. We're having it tonight. Now, strawberry or cherry makes a much brighter cheesecake, but Mom is a blueberry kind of a person. Okay, so putting on our blueberry pie filling for Mom. Mike likes cherry. I like it all.
I like blueberry too.
Then we'll just spread our blueberry all over our cheesecake. There you go. Blueberry cheesecake for Mom's birthday dinner. This recipe is in the description below. Please give us a thumbs up if you love cheesecake. Like, subscribe, and share. Visit us at livingonadime.com.